When you search for heavy-duty sewing machines, everything looks the same. Same claims, same features, and same generic photos. But to really figure out what works and what's just flashy, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. Brother Serger 1034D. Let's kick things off with the Brother Serger 1034D. This machine caught my eye with its heavy-duty metal frame and impressive price of $319.99. If you want a reliable serger that can tackle multiple layers of fabric effortlessly, this is worth a serious look. The color-coded threading guides make it super user-friendly, so you won't spend half your day figuring out how to set it up. Plus, it comes loaded with accessories, including 3 different foot attachments for all your needs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're sewing heavy materials, this machine can handle it without skipping stitches. Now, some people mention that the learning curve can be a bit steep if you're new to sergers. Here's the thing though, once you get past that initial hurdle, the ease of use and efficiency really make it worth it. It's a fantastic investment for anyone serious about sewing. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a durable machine that offers professional results. Skip this one if you're a complete beginner and unsure about using a serger. Now, if the learning curve of the 1034D worries you, the next one might be just your speed. Product number 2, Brother XM2701. Next up is the Brother XM2701, priced at a friendly $149. This lightweight machine has 27 built-in stitches that caught my attention. If you want versatility without sacrificing quality, this is definitely worth a closer look. With features like an automatic needle threader and a jam-resistant drop-in bobbin, it's designed for ease of use. Plus, the free arm feature is perfect for those everyday sewing projects or even small alterations. Here's why this matters. You want a machine that can handle a variety of tasks without being a hassle. However, some users pointed out that it might struggle with thicker fabrics. Here's the thing though, for most home sewing projects, it performs exceptionally well and won't let you down. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or looking for a reliable everyday machine. Skip this one if you plan on working primarily with heavy fabrics. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for tackling tough materials. Product number 3, Singer Heavy Duty 4411. Now let's talk about the Singer Heavy Duty 4411, priced at $189.99. This machine is a powerhouse with 50% more power than standard models. If you're sewing heavy fabrics like denim or leather, this one is definitely worth a serious look. This is crucial if you're serious about your sewing, as it gives you the ability to tackle a range of projects from fashion to home decor. Here's why this matters. Whether you're doing quick repairs or crafting something intricate, you need a machine that keeps up. Now, some users have said it's a bit noisy compared to other models. But honestly, for the performance you get, it's a minor trade-off that most people can overlook. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable machine that can handle tough projects. Skip this one if you need something ultra-quiet for late-night sewing sessions. Alright, if you're looking for even more versatility, the next product might just fit the bill. Product number 4, Singer Heavy Duty 4423. Next on the list is the Singer Heavy Duty 4423, retailing at $222.25. This beauty offers 23 built-in stitches for 97 applications, so you're getting a whole lot of options. If versatility and power are what you need, this machine deserves your attention. The heavy-duty metal frame ensures that it's stable and can handle various fabric weights without skipping a beat. And you get all the essential accessories right out of the box, which saves you extra trips to the store. Here's why this matters. You want a machine that can adapt to your needs as they change. However, some reviews mention that the instruction manual isn't as comprehensive as it could be. But honestly, with so many online tutorials available, it's easy to find the help you need. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, versatile machine that can grow with your skills. Skip this one if you prefer a machine with more beginner-friendly features only. Now, if you're looking for something simple yet effective, the last product might just surprise you. Product number 5, Singer Heavy Duty Needles. Last but not least, we have the Singer Heavy Duty Needles priced at just $6.99. This set includes 5 needles in various sizes, perfect for those heavy-duty sewing projects. If you're sewing through thick fabrics like leather or denim, these are worth adding to your toolkit. These needles are compatible with most sewing machines and are designed specifically for heavy materials. Having the right needle can make a significant difference in your sewing experience, helping you avoid breakage and snagging. Here's why this matters. If you want clean, professional results, using the right needle is crucial. Now, some might think that buying separate needles is unnecessary, but here's the thing: having a dedicated set for heavier fabrics can save you a lot of headaches down the line. This is perfect for you if you frequently sew with heavy materials. Skip this if you mostly work with lightweight fabrics. Alright, to wrap it up, we've covered some fantastic heavy-duty sewing machines and even some essential needles. Whether you need speed, versatility, or just a reliable workhorse, there's something here for everyone. To quickly compare, we started with the Brother Serger 1034D for its durability and speed. Then we checked out the Brother XM2701 for beginners, followed by the Singer Heavy Duty 4411 and 4423 that offer power and versatility. Finally, the Singer Heavy Duty Needles topped off our list to ensure you're equipped for any fabric. Whatever your sewing needs, there's something here for you.